Oh, wow. This guy is one of my favorites. Tonight, we're drawing Boldore from Pokemon Black and White, Rival Destinies. Boldore is one of Ash's Pokemon after it evolved from Roggenrola from one of its gym matches. His codename is the Orb Pokemon, and Boldore is a rock type. Its orange crystal is a massive energy. Just one crystal fragment would be enough to provide enough fuel for 100 dump trucks. Now that's awesome. Amazing and interesting. Yeah. Let's get started. There we go. Got this. Now all we have to do is add another one. Now we draw the skis. Boldore uses these skis to he uses them to also have the ability to move on ice. Now that is awesome. There. I got this one. And last but not least, this. And done. That's how you draw Boldore. I'm glad you guys got to see me draw him. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what awesome character you want me to draw next. It explores caves in search of underground water. So this Pokemon takes great care, but being near water makes it uneasy. It's really good at finding it. Anyways, I'm glad you guys enjoyed this episode. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what awesome character you want me to draw next, because I'm never going to stop drawing. These guys rock.